My name is John Brown. I'm a junior here at Carolina, and I do research in the Miller Lab in the neuroscience building. I decided to get involved in research because I wanted to start applying the stuff I was learning in class into real-life situations. And I got involved by sending out emails to several different principal investigators, and then I got a response from Dr. Miller in the neuroscience building again, and he does research on glioblastomas. This semester I'm working as a volunteer, and I'm learning basic lab techniques like PCR and then gel electrophoresis. And the next semester I'll start researching for credit and start my own research project.
Siddharth Sardeshmukh. I'm a sophomore and I'm double majoring in biology and philosophy, and I'm on the pre-med track. I decided to get into research because I found a lot of really interesting kind of topics that I enjoyed reading about in journals and just research that was published online outside of my biology classes themselves. And I felt like getting into research would be the best way of getting that hands-on experience and actually having a chance to learn about that material outside of my classes themselves. I just reached out to PIs that I found were doing really interesting research that was along the lines of things that I was interested in, such as deformities in the brain, infectious diseases, and other things. And after sending out a lot of emails, I got some responses, did some interviews, and found a lab that I really enjoyed working in. I'm currently working in the Anton lab in UNC's neuroscience research building, which is also part of the School of Medicine, and we're studying polymicrogyria and pachygyria, two developmental brain disorders that are really devastating to the early development of children. And that's work that I feel like is really high stakes because there are a lot of people who suffer these brain deformities, and having a chance to actually contribute to the research in this field I think is really valuable for the field as well as for my own education.